a special guest. That's right. Bella's here. Say hi to everyone, Bella girl. Look. Say hi to everyone. That's right. If you seen when we first got her as a kitten, she was here in the videos, and we're bringing her back for a special appearance. So we'll let her roam around here and see what she wants to get into here. All right, guys. In today's video, we're giving you updates on what's going on in the market around MMTLP and everything around that. Welcome in today's sponsor, Moomoo. Get a chance to get up to 20 free stocks. Check details down below in the pinned comments. And a couple key features I like about Moomoo is they give you free level 2 trading along with extended hours trading in the market from 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, plus a chance to win in our 60K Holiday Magic Sweepstakes. So we got to cover this here. John Berta has here, MMTLP holders, please fill out this form. It is the first step in the process of determining if there is an imbalance in the number of shares issued and what you own. This info will determine which broker-dealers have been playing fair and which are culpable. Don't BS, won't work. So this form here, Huckleberry put out here, it's actually off the nextbridgehydrocarbons.com website. So it wants your name, email, mailing address, number of shares owned, and the broker name. Now, we hope everyone will be honest in this and give, what it truly is, because they do want to get a general consensus of how many shares is out there per brokerage, and that'll help fight the FINRA fraud here and what the broker's been doing if they have been having short positions and all that. And if they're short shares, they're going to owe the investors of that platform compensation, let's put it that way. So moving forward here, this is an interesting post. If you have TD Ameritrade, you definitely want to go screenshot this, record this, or save this video for this reason. So TD Ameritrade was responding up here to this gentleman here. And Nate says, still no NextBridge shares in my account at TD Ameritrade, probably due to the FINRA fraud when they halted MMTLP 2 days ago. TD Ameritrade says, good morning, MMTLP shares were exchanged on a QSIP, and it gives that number there, which we talked about. The contra QSIP is a placeholder until the agent provides additional details and instructions on how the process to exchange NextBridge hydrocarbons. We appreciate your patience. Red the Pirate says the agent already delivered them. You as brokers sold too many. Now figure it out. You, Ameritrade, are responsible, which I do agree. TD Ameritrade replies back, hello, we have no reason to believe that we will not, that there will be not enough. Oh my God, I can't read today. Hello. We have no reason to believe that there will not be enough shares in NextBridge for all shareholders to receive the 1-to-1 ratio. We appreciate your patience as we further await instructions from the transfer agent. You're welcome to reach out to us for updates. So I remember there is an email out there I covered in a previous video that TD Ameritrade says they do not allow shorting of stocks for retail investors on here. So, and I believe Right Brain Trader got that in his one live stream he did about TD Ameritrade. So, like I said, you might want to get on TD Ameritrade and get this on here and save this if you're a part of that. All right. Also, I got an update here that MMTLP is now showing as MMTZZZ, and we knew that, but it does say NextBridge Hydrocarbons Contra here now on Robinhood. So that is a Robinhood update. I wasn't sure if I had that in a previous video, but wanted to touch base on that in this video. All right, moving forward here, Ever here, TJC has this post. MMTLP had 41 days on the OTC threshold list starting on October 14th. Failure to deliver for the second half of October is 991,180. First half of November is 321,916. Second half of November was 816,599 shares. Total during the threshold, the 41 days, 2,129,695. Failure to deliver is over 41 days. The largest failure to deliver date since 10/13 with 735,210. Pretty big numbers for a small time frame. So thank you here, Ever TJC, for this post. It is a great breakdown on this. I believe Tony Market Moves did talk about this in one of his videos as well. Moving forward here, the Honey Badger here has this post out and says, let me put it like, Lance Cook was the chief scientist at Shell, which is the oil company here, guys, or MMTLP. If you're in MMTLP and you're here of NextBridge Hydrocarbons, you're in it for the oil here. And this person here, Lance Cook, was the chief scientist at Shell for 36 years. Does anyone here think that he would attach his unembellished name to a fake project and trash stellar career in NextBridge hydrocarbons at the very last minute? Yeah, me either. So here it is, has Robert Lance Cook, a non-employee director. Robert Cook spent 36 years at Shell Oil with final positions of vice president at Wells Technology and chief scientist. Mr. Cook has extensive experience in deep water, Arctic, and unconventional research and development and operations. Mr. Cook is the founder and CEO of Adventure Global Technology. So here you can see a joint venture between Shell and Halliburton. Mr. Cook has served as COO of Sirius Well Manufacturing, a joint venture between Shell and CNBC, is a technologist with expensive patent portfolio. Since retiring from Shell in 2016, Mr. Cook has served as vice president of production operations of Well X Inc. from 2017 to 2020. And in 2020, he founded and continues to serve as president and chief technology officer at Sage Geosystems Inc. Thank you, Honey Badger, for this information. That is fantastic. Moving forward here. Guys, the corruption's real. We got another stock here, got hit with it. It got hit with a little bit of FINRA fraud, a little bit of corruption, but it did have a huge reversal here. But here you can see Uncle Smokey here has a chart on COSM, Cosmos Holding. It was a running play here, and you can see this drop, literally huge drop. They did this reverse split, and it cut the shares really low, guys. I think it was like a 25-to-1 reverse split or something like that. And they just short squeezed and everyone bought in on this bad boy. So you might want to keep an eye on CEI because they have a 50-to-1 reverse split coming. And it reduces the... Now, there is a bad thing because for every 50 shares of, say, CEI right now, you're going to get 1 share. But it will 50x that current price. But, like I said, if you had, like, 100 shares, you will now only have 2 shares of CEI. But your price will still be the same, so that doesn't matter. But the share count goes lower. So that could put margin calls in on these shorts, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Thank you, Smokey, for pointing this out. Here you can see MMAT News says, MMTLP, what did they do to COSM? Shows the manipulation of FINRA, halts trading, and brokerages were showing the wrong ticker, and some brokers did not allow you to sell today. Meanwhile, CEI is up 60%, and as the same thing happens with COSM. Let's see if the manipulation continues. Now, I've seen here with this that TD Ameritrade was not letting people sell. That's crazy. So, guys, you got to remember in times of these brokerages, when there's markets like this, what brokerages take care of you. TD right now, I don't know. We're going to wait and see if they do give out the shares that they promise. And people was asking about the space calls. I haven't seen no space calls on MMTLP on Twitter all day. Well, here's your answer. Elon Musk was fixing it here. The bug fix is almost done. Spaces probably back by tonight, guys. So there you go. You probably start seeing MMTLP and MetaFam space chats coming back because they're getting it worked out. So a lot of updates in today's video. Hope you appreciate it. If you did, all I ask in return is to smash thumbs up. Drop me a comment down below. I'll catch y'all next video, guys. Peace.